protection. Kelsey underneath. Ball came out. And the fight for the football. Hayes may be there for Tampa Bay as Kelsey fumbled it. Tampa Bay's ball.
On the field is a catch and a fumble recovered by the defense. First down.
Tyke Smith may have forced it out as Kelsey puts it on the ground.
Yeah, right there, Tyke Smith. He comes in. He's the one who's able to jar it loose. A big break here before the half for Tampa Bay. Here's a look. His helmet, he thought initially he came in and punched it, but he did not. The helmet kind of took out the right arm there of Kelsey, which put the ball on the ground.
Josh Hayes making his